Amen Shiva. Okay. Hello, my name is Manasa. My full name is Gadiga Manasa Gaud, born and brought up in Hyderabad. Coming to education background, I have completed my graduation in the year 2023 from Usman University, and I have got aggregate percentage of 80% in my graduation. Coming to my family background, we are five members. My father works in film industry as an agent. My mother is a homemaker, and I have two siblings, one elder one and younger one. We stay together. And coming to my hobbies, gardening, listening to music, and cooking. Coming to my strength, I'm a self-motivated person and have good communication. And also, that's it. And why investing bank? Because as I'm from finance background, I have much interest in accounting and finance, which made me to choose this course. Okay, today I'm telling about the topic of financial market. What is financial market? Actually, a financial market is a marketplace where buyers and sellers trade of financial assets such as stocks and bonds, currencies and derivatives. This market facilitates the rising of capital, transfer of risk, and price discovery, and they play a crucial role in overall economy by providing platform for efficient allocation of resources. Financial markets can be categorized in several ways, including by the types of instruments traded, the purpose they serve, and their level of regulations. In financial market, there are the types of financial markets: stock market, bond market, foreign exchange market, derivative market, commodity markets, money markets. In stock market, these markets enables the buying and selling of shares of publicly traded companies. Example include the New York Exchange, Stock Exchange, and Nasdaq. Bond markets. These markets involves the issuance and trading of debt securities, bonds by governments and corporations. Investors in bonds are uh, typically looking for regular interest income and return of principal of immaturity. In foreign exchange markets, these markets facilitate the trading of currencies, allowing businesses and investors to convert one currency into another. The forex market is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world. Derivatives market. Coming to derivative market, these markets deals with contracts whose value is derived from the performance of underlying assets such as stocks, bonds, commodities, or currencies. Examples derivatives includes options, futures, and swaps. Commodity markets. These markets trade raw materials and primary products such as gold, oil, and agriculture goods. Commodity can be traded physically or through future contracts. Coming to money market, these markets deals with the short-term debt instruments and provides liquidity for the financial system. Instruments traded include treasury bills, commercial bills, and certificates of deposits. In the functions of financial markets, there are some functions of financial markets: capital formation, price discovery, liquidity, risk management, information dissemination. In capital formation, financial market facilitate the rising of capital for business, governments, and other entities, enabling them to fund operations and growth entities. Price discovery. Market helps to determine the price of financial market asset through the interaction of a buyer and sellers. Price reflect the supply and demand for assets and incorporate all available information. Coming to liquidity. Financial markets provide liquidity, allowing investors to buy and sell assets quickly with minimal price impact. This liquidity is crucial for functioning of the economy. Risk management. A Risk management, derivative markets in particular, allows participants to hedge against various risks such as changes in interest rate, currency fluctuation, and commodity prices. Information dissemination. Markets aggregate and disseminate information about the value of assets, helping investors make informed decisions. Okay. Uh, Participants in financial markets. Individual investors, institutional investors, corporations, governments, financial intermediates, market regulators, exchange and platforms, providers. These all are the participants in financial markets. Coming to individual investors, in retail investors. In retail investors, individuals who buy and sell securities for their personal accounts, they invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETF, and other financial instruments, aiming to grow their personal wealth. Institutional investors. In institutional investors, there are mutual funds, pension funds, insurance companies, hedge funds. In the investors companies in mutual funds, investors investment companies that pool money from many investors to buy diversification portfolio of securities. Pension funds established by employers to provide retirement benefits to employees. They invest uh, they invest in various they invest in various financial instruments to generate returns to future payouts. Insurance company invest premiums collected from policyholders to ensure they can over future claims. Their investments often includes bonds, stocks, and real estate. Hedge funds, private investment funds that employ various strategies to generate high returns, often engaging in more aggressive trading and leveraging. Endowments and foundations. No non-profit non-profit institutions with large investment portfolios to support their activities and missions. So, coming to corporations, public companies, private companies. In public companies, corporations that issue stocks and bonds to raise capital for expansion, operations, and other business activities. They also invest excess cash in financial markets, private markets. While not publicly traded, some private companies engage in financial markets for investment for hedging purpose. Governments, no, national governments issue in governments, national governments and state and local governments. In national governments, issue sovereign bonds to finance government spending. They may also invest in financial markets to various funds. State and local governments issue municipal bonds to finance public projects such as infrastructure development and may engage in investment activities. Financial markets. Financial intermediates, banks, investment banks, brokers, and dealers, asset management firms. Banks of a range of server, including deposit taking, lending, and investment banking. They also trade in financial market for proprietary purpose. Brokers and dealers facilitate the buying and selling of securities on behalf of clients. Brokers act as intermediary while deals trade for their own accounts. Asset management firm manage investments on behalf of clients, offering mutual funds, ETFs, and other investment products. Market regulations. In market regulations, Securities and Exchange Commissions, central banks, Security and Exchange Commissions, government agencies that oversee financial markets to ensure fair and transparent practices, protect investors, and enforce securities law. In central bank, national bank, example the Federal Bank in US, that manage mandatory policy, regulate the banking system, and and interference in the financial markets to stabilize the economy. Exchanges and platforms. Stock exchanges, platforms where stock, bonds, and other securities are traded. Example, NICE, NYSE, and Nasdaq and London Stock Exchange. Commodity exchange, market for trading commodities like gold, oil, and agricultural products. Examples include the Chicago Mercantile Exchange and the London Metal Exchange. Over the counter markets, decentralization markets where securities not listed on formal exchange are traded, for typically involving direct transactions between parties. Service provider. Service provider, custodians, the rating agencies, financial advisors. In custodians, firms that hold and safeguard financial assets on behalf of investors and manage administrate aspects like transaction settlement. Rating agencies, organizing that access the creditworthiness of issuers and financial instruments. Examples include Moody's, Standards, and Poor's and Fitch rating. Financial advisors. Financial advisors professional who provide investments advice and portfolio management services into individual and institutions. Each of these participants plays a crucial role in the functioning of a financial market, contributing to capital forming, liquidity risk management, and overall economic growth. Thank you. Shiva, any doubts?